Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how to fix Zoom Workspace app connecting problem. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So here, as you can see, I do have Zoom right over here. And if you're having its app connecting problem, there are a few methods that you could do to fix it. First one being very simple, what you can do is just head over to settings, and inside settings, you just need to go to general and storage. I mean to iPhone storage. And right over here, you gotta find Zoom. So let's go ahead and find Zoom right over here. And here we are. So what you can do is just simply offload the app. By offloading the app, it might work, and it might fix the problem. But if it's still not fixing after offloading, what you can do is just simply delete the app by just simply holding onto the app and then deleting the app. And after that, you just need to go to the app store right over here, and you just gotta type in Zoom and Workspace or Workplace, whatever. And you just gotta download it again from right over here. For me, it says open, but you just gotta go ahead and download it. Now, the last and final method would be just simply switching over from your Wi-Fi to mobile data or your cellular data, or switching from your cellular data to your Wi-Fi and checking in between and what suits you. So just check both of them, and check the app in them as well, and one of them might work for you. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tool actually helped you out.